In this video, we will demonstrate the steps needed to make a successful installation of a House of Rohl pot filler. And we will show you the design that is used on all of the House of Rohl products that makes for a secure and simple installation. All House of Rohl pot fillers have a system that allows for easy installation with less effort. In addition to the rough mounting assembly, we will also review the position and height of the pot filler over the stovetop and suggest a remote shutoff for the water servicing. This is a drop-eared elbow. This elbow design is actually 1/2 inch NPT by 1/2 inch slip fit. The installer would make the rough plumbing connection. In this case, we're using copper. The next thing that happens is that we install the 1/2 inch nipple. These can come in 1/2 inch size, length, or 1 inch or 1.5 inch. This is a 1/2 inch close is what this is called. And this is installed with Teflon tape into this installation. We are using this stringer here as representational of our finished wall. You can see the nipple is sticking out. We want 3 or 4 turns on that, or about 3/8 of an inch. We put this mounting ring that's on the outside here, and you can see there are an Allen key holes on the top and on the bottom. And when we get that into place, we put the installation plug. And you can see on the installation plug there are machined cutouts on either side, which are essential for the integrity of the system. This is put into place. Of course, we put Teflon tape on the outside of the threads for the nipple, and then install this mounting ring, leaving the cutouts that I had shown you at 12 o'clock and at 6 o'clock for the installation of the Allen keys. And once we've secured the Allen keys with the installation plug installed, we are ready to now install the pot filler onto this assembly. You can see I installed the Allen keys that are here. These are 4mm Allen keys. In this installation, they are shorter than the Allen keys that are on this. But once you're at this method, it is simply a matter of sliding the unit into place and then tightening the Allen keys and making sure that they are going into the mounting slot that is on the assembly. You want to be able to position the pot filler so that the aerator is about 1 inch to 2 inches above your tallest pan. Tallest pan that we've got here is 7 inches, and we've installed this at 13 inches above the countertop so that it can reach over this pan and also reach all of the other stovetop burners that we've got, even using the articulated arm to reach behind itself, so that it's right in the center of the stovetop. Now you could offset it either one way or the other, but this is generally the rule that we work on, is that it's right in the center so that you don't lose any functionality or any kind of reach going back to the burner. Our final recommendation is to install a shutoff valve that is linked directly to the pot filler. This can be done during new construction or complete tear down, but it makes your lives much simpler. If for some reason you have to change the cartridge or do some kind of maintenance to the pot filler itself, you can shut off the water to the pot filler without shutting off the water to the rest of the house. Second option for a remote stop for your pot filler. You can put in an access panel, say in a closet or out of a hallway someplace, and that way you can have the access panel open up, and then you can see. In this case, we have a white handle here and a red handle that is here, but same basic concept. It's out of the way. You can isolate the pot filler for any kind of servicing, and it's much more convenient, especially, as I say, in a large house where you don't want to shut off the water for the whole house.